A lot of patients come in with the pinching sensation in the front of the shoulder. It's usually due to an anterior impingement, which means that the shoulder head is gliding forward. So this is a Mulligan technique that we use. Most people call it shoulder flossing or joint flossing. So you just need a resistance band. So let's test your shoulder first. So go for like a bit of flexion. Do you feel the pinching starting around there? Okay, cool. All right. So with a relatively firm resistance band, come on in, slot your hand through and making sure it's over the joint line here. And then leaning your body forward as much as you feel comfortable and then going for some shoulder flexion. So what you'll find is the band will posteriorly glide the shoulder and it'll kind of help it stay in its socket and you don't get the pinching sensation as much. So usually with this exercise, if they're going to the gym, I'll get them to do maybe 2 sets of 20 as a warm-up, and moving your arm through this range of motion will also desensitize the symptoms, so the pain will decrease as well. But usually after about 20 reps, once you come off without the band, you'll find that it does move a little bit better. How many reps is that? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. We'll just fast forward this part. Pretty comfortable?
Yeah.
Cool. So also it's not limited to flexion. So let's say they're getting like an external rotation injury or an abduction injury. You can get them into that position and then focusing on external rotation as well. And again, the band is just providing a posterior glide. Bit sore? Okay. Like painful or just sore?
No, just.
Okay, cool. Let's go for one more. Cool. All right, and retest, go for a bit of shoulder flexion. Not as bad?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool.